Your company is one of the 140 partners behind OpenUSD. The announcement is public. The launch is later this year. And in most partner companies, one question has no answer yet. Who owns this? Not sponsors it, owns it. That is the first decision. And this episode is about making it before the calendar makes it for you. Here is the math on deciding late. Custody vendor selection takes 4 to 6 weeks. Compliance review in one jurisdiction takes 6 to 12. A pilot corridor needs 90 days to produce numbers you can trust. Stack those and you are already at the launch window. If you start this quarter, partners who wait for a strategy deck to circulate will watch competitors settle in minutes while their own working group schedules its second meeting. In 10 years of building in this industry, I have never seen a company fail at stablecoins for technical reasons. They fail by leaving ownership vague. To make this measurable, score your company on 5 levels. I call it the stablecoin readiness model. Level 1, aware. You sign the partnership, nothing is built, most of the 140 are here today. Level 2, custodial. You can hold OpenUSD safely. Keys, custody policy, signing controls, named responsible people. Level 3, operational. You can send and receive in production. One corridor, real value, reconcile books. Or level 4, integrated. OpenUSD runs inside your core systems. ERP, treasury, disputes, tax, not beside them. Level 5, strategic. You earn from the rail itself. Reserve yield share, netting efficiencies, products your competitors cannot copy. Each episode in this series moves you one level. The gap between level 2 and level 3 is where most companies stall, and it is almost never an engineering gap. 3 moves this quarter. First, name a single accountable owner, a person, not a committee. The right profile runs payments or treasury and can pull engineering directly. The wrong home is the innovation lab. Labs produce demos, and demos do not reconcile. Second, self-score against the model, honestly. 5 questions. Can you custody today? Could you send a production payment? Would your books close? Does compliance have a written position? Does anyone wake up when it breaks? In 2017, I watched a well-funded company discover, after one resignation, that nobody remaining could sign for the treasury wallet. That is what level 1 looks like when it believes it is level 2. Third, charter a 90-day pilot team. 5 engineers is enough. 1 on custody, 2 on payments integration, 1 on compliance engineering, 1 on reliability. Add counsel part-time, give them 1 corridor, a payout lane, a settlement leg, 1 geography, and 3 numbers to report. Cost per transaction, time to settle, and hours of manual reconciliation. Small team, narrow scope, real money in small amounts. Volume is a dial you turn later. Correctness is not. The Monday directive. Name the owner this week in writing. Have that owner score the company against the 5 levels. It takes 1 meeting. And by Friday, a 1-page pilot, charter, the corridor, the 5 engineers, the 3 numbers, 90 days. The scorecard is linked below. It is free and it is yours. Next episode, custody, build, buy, or hybrid, and the trade-offs vendors will not volunteer. See you there.